Gusto mo sanang mag-apply as an Amazon virtual assistant? Willing ka to join the training and you're glad to know na merong internship, but the question is, mahahire po ba agad after ng internship? The answer is no. But bago ka mag-swipe up, let me tell you something that might change your mind. It's a quick no because nakadepende lagi ang success mo sa kung paano mong i-handle yung iyong service na ino-offer, paano ka nag-a-apply, and what we're currently doing sa team namin. Since confident na kami na, okay, maganda yung process natin, marami naman tayo natutulungan, how can we level this up? And so, we started partnering with different clients and different agencies. Pwede namin kayong ibato doon. And 2 weeks na kami na nakikipag-collaborate with VA Fastlane and I'm happy to announce na 3 na po ang na-match. 3 na ba? Or 4? Hindi ako sure kung 3 o 4. So, meron na kaming na-match doon sa VA Fastlane. For it here, so tungkol doon sa naging experience nila sa pag-apply nila because yes, may paid test siya but paid siya. So now, meron na tayong bagong process sa ating Amazon training na may kasamang internship na 999 pesos lang. Una onboarding, pagkatapos makaka-attend ka ng live session, 2 araw ang live session, 4 hours each class. After that, you would have 2 weeks of internship kung saan ihahanda na namin kayo para sa next process which is pag-a-apply na sa VA Fastlane and other VA agencies that we will partner with in the future. Ibabato na namin kayo sa kung saan-saan para mag-apply. On top of that, after the internship, magkakaroon kayo ng application book session kung saan tuturuan namin kayo kung paano mag-apply on your own. And then magagawa kayo ng final activity. Si final activity is your application book. Gagamitin ninyo para mag-apply. Alam ko maraming deliverables but that is okay. That's part of the process. You are growing and when you're growing, it becomes a little more uncomfortable than usual and that is good. At pagkatapos nun, saka tayo magma-mock interview. So may practice na kayong mock interview sa akin. Meron pa kayong training na with VA Fasting. So imagine that as in hitik na hitik. All for the price of 999 pesos. If you guys wanna join, punta lang kayo dito sa bio ko. I-click nyo lang yung link doon. Pagkatapos it will open the Gig Hub. Remember guys, sa Gig Hub, nandito na lahat na kailangan nyo para makapag-start mag-work from home. Under live mentorship, hahanapin nyo lang 999 Amazon with internship. I-click nyo lang yan, it will open the form. Kung nasa Instagram kayo, ito yung i-click nyo. In case na di gumana ang Instagram at saka ang TikTok, punta na lang kayo sa Facebook page ko. 150,000 following na yan! But, ano ba? Nawala na si bakla na to, ang bigla. Punta lang kayo sa Facebook page ko, hanapin nyo tong video na to at makikita nyo sa mismong caption yung link. Ulitin ko, ang success ninyo sa mentorship program namin would still be solely dependent on how you handle your freelancing business. But we're here to guide you and we're working twice as hard this year to provide a better experience for all of our mentees. All because maraming nagtitiwala, so we truly appreciate you guys. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!